Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I would request each one of you, as and when you get an opportunity, at least one aspect of what has been shown here today or in the last 5-6 days, whichever suits your taste, you should be able to talk about it in your near and dear circles so that people get interested in the activities of government, and only then will there be a natural good curiosity to know about government, and that would make departments of the government to function with greater sense of alacrity. So when we talk about minimum government, it is only when people are watching us and watching us in a discerning way. And maximum governance is arrived at only when people ask the right questions and we are able to remove all the dead wood, undergrowth and make it primed for a bright Amrit, so that 2047 we are all able to, through our own selves or through the books or through our children, are able to see that India is now such a country where our youth, where our children, where our future lies, and all of them will be proud about it.
And that is what I have also learned in GST. Except one decision on lottery, every decision that has been taken till date today has been by consensus, thanks to the leadership again, because it is not so easy to get everybody to agree. I have been making a case for smaller states, that big states need big money. Our smaller states, little money you give, we are able to do miracles. And today, everybody, ma'am, I want to tell you, today is the most preferred destination. We have come out of the pandemic. You have seen how you have helped yourself. When I see you organizing and getting the best out of all your officers, they themselves sitting together will perhaps give a solution even to this, so that we smaller states will not suffer, whole country will prosper.